Healthy crops begin with healthy seeds. Today, we're showcasing the seed treatment process of mung bean using Dynasty fungicide, a trusted product from Syngenta, and how it's efficiently applied using a modern seed treatment machine. Dynasty fungicide is a broad-spectrum seed treatment that offers early-season protection against soil and seed-borne diseases like Pythium, Rhizoctonia, and Fusarium, key threats to mung bean germination. To begin, calculate the correct dosage based on your seed quantity. For mung bean, typically 100 milliliters of Dynasty is used per 100 kilograms of seed, mixed in 500 milliliters to 1 liter of clean water, depending on seed moisture absorption and machine calibration. Pour the prepared Dynasty fungicide mixture into the treatment tank. Ensure the mixing tank and pipelines are clean and the agitation system is functioning. Now load clean and grated mung bean seeds into the hopper. Uniform seed size helps achieve consistent treatment. Set the machine speed to match seed flow with chemical application rate. As the machine starts, seeds pass through the treatment chamber, where they're evenly coated with Dynasty fungicide. This contact ensures early protection right from sowing. Observe the output for uniform coating, a light pinkish or reddish hue is ideal. Collect the treated seeds in clean containers. Avoid direct sunlight and ensure seeds are dry before bagging to prevent spoilage or clumping. Label treated seed bags clearly with product used, treatment date, and not for food or feed. Use treated seeds within recommended time. Always wear gloves and protective gear during handling, and dispose of leftover mixture. Treat smart, plant strong for a healthier tomorrow. With Dynasty treated mung bean seeds, you're investing in stronger germination, healthier seedlings, and better yields. Allow them to air dry in shade for 30 to 60 minutes.